In this video, I'll show you how to quickly import your existing customer contacts into your Business Hub. If you've previously kept your customers in Excel, Outlook, Gmail, or another CRM system, you can easily upload them all in just a few minutes. Step 1. Open Contacts. From the left-hand menu, click Contacts, then select Import Contacts. This is where you'll upload your customer list. Step 2. Upload your CSV file. Click Upload File and choose your CSV file from your computer. Most spreadsheet programs such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets can export your customer list as a CSV file. Step 3. Match your fields. Once your file has uploaded, SMB Booster will ask you to match the columns in your spreadsheet. For example, first name, last name, email address, phone number, company name. Simply check everything matches correctly before continuing. Step 4. Start import. When you're happy, click Import Contacts. Your contacts will now be added to your Business Hub where they'll be ready to use for inquiries, quotes, appointments, and future marketing. Final tip, if you're importing a large customer database, it's always worth checking a few contacts afterwards to make sure everything has imported exactly as expected. And that's it. Your contacts are now safely stored inside your SMB Booster Business Hub. If you need any help importing your database, just get in touch and our team will be happy to help.